Hi guys, welcome to this new Yum Yum adventure. We just came down from the Namsan Tower and we are still in the Namsan Park. We're going to eat some Bibimbap in the Michelin star restaurant Sanban.
Namsan Tower, located on Namsan Hill, is a must place to visit in Seoul. To get to the tower, you can walk, take the bus, or take the cable car. In our case, we opted for the cable car, which was the easiest and most fun way of getting to the top of the hill. A round-trip ticket for two only costs 19,000 won. There might be some queuing, but this short ride is worth it to enjoy the beautiful night view of Seoul. Once at the top, make your way to the tower, walking past the impressive display of colorful padlocks firmly attached on the handrails. Stop by some viewpoints to enjoy the lovely view of the city. At the foot of Namsan Tower, you can find several amenities like restaurants, drugstores, and a ticket counter. But the end gift shop is where you want to visit. The boutique sells standard landmark souvenirs, but the flagship products are without contest the heart-shaped padlocks. These locks, once closed, can never be opened again. Some of them come with a pen to write messages on top. Once you finish writing your message, lock it on the handrails at your disposal. It is a cute souvenir and it will make you want to come back to visit Namsan Tower. Make sure to check our Seoul video to know what else to visit in Seoul. A short walk away from the cable car station is Namsan Bistro, which replaced the Michelin star restaurant Sanban. The huge moon shining through the darkness of the forest and the glowing rabbits made it look like an enchanted place. We decided to try a bit of everything. Their sweet rice drink named Shike was refreshing.
So we are starting with a kimchi and seafood Jeon with extra cheese. I'm more excited about the cheese than the seafood, to be fair. I need a plate because it looks like it's going to be very messy. The usual. Ooh. I can smell the seafood. Oh, the cheese. The Jeon is very crispy, with a hint of seafood, not too much. I can feel the kimchi, a bit spicy. And the cheese coats everything. It goes very well with it. If you come here, get the Jeon and add the extra cheese. Totally worth it. Could be the best 2,000 won you would spend here. Whoa!
Our next dish is a pork bulgogi. You can see here all the nice meat here. Look at that. Looks so good. And we have next to it some chives as well, like pickled chives. You can see it has been marinated in some gochugaru and some nice marinade. Gochugaru is a chili flake. Look at that. I believe it's gonna go pretty well with the pork. The bulgogi, I believe, has been charred as well. You can see like the meat has charred edges. I can actually feel it when you eat it. It's so good. And with that, with the pork bulgogi, they also serve it with some salad so that you can make a sam. So what's a sam? It's going to be some salad that you're going to use it as a nice wrap. Take some of the pork bulgogi, put it in there, add the chives for freshness and super taste, and do not forget to put the sauce as well. Look at that. Once you're done preparing this little bundle of joy, you just wrap it up like this. In one bite, you have to eat the whole thing. But it's worth it, I tell you.
A few moments later.
It tastes so good. The samjang, the sauce I just added, gives so much flavor to the meat, and hence all the goodness in there and the taste. All the different ingredients bring something to the sam. It's like an amazing wrap. I prefer this kind of wrap than tortillas. It's also healthy.
Let's try the bibimbap.
This bibimbap came with a bowl of rice and a nicely presented vegetable platter on the side. The ingredients need to be mixed all together just before eating. This main course is also served with some banchans, small side dishes which vary in taste and textures. They complement the bibimbap quite well.
We're going to take all these vegetables and put them in the rice and mix them all together. There's some egg, some chives, some carrots, some marinated fern, some onion bits. So yeah. When that's done, we're going to add that nice red pepper paste, nice red sauce. You know what? Get a spoon. Let me get a spoon. It will be much better. Get all the red pepper pastes. And then we mix. It looks nice. Not for long. But it will taste so nice. So you need to mix well all the flavors together. Okay. Now I'm done mixing everything together. Take a nice big spoon of it, of that mix, and try to fill that in my mouth. It does smell good. It does smell good. It's not warm. I mean, it's at room temperature. All the flavors together. Not too spicy. There's a bit of sesame oil. It's a very healthy dish. Yes. I like this. It's missing something. How about some meat? So do you remember we had some pork bulgogi? Let's add that to the mix, shall we? Let's get another spoonful. And would you look at this? Let's try this. Much better. Much better. Bit of kimchi as well. Good. Very good.
And I've ordered for me some spicy beef soup. You can see the color speaks louder than words, isn't it? All this orangey red color. It's gonna be good. Let's drink that elixir now. You can feel the spice there, right there. It's right there in the throat. But taste-wise, it's fantastic. I believe it tastes a bit of seafood as well. Could be meat, but what if I feel some seafood? You can see very tender meat in there. It's easily shreddable. Like I just put my spoon, it shreds directly here. Look at that. Still steamy and piping hot. Oh wow. And you have also some vegetables in there, some spring onions, I believe some leek as well. Ooh, not meat. Ooh. Amazing. I think you have some bean sprout at the bottom too. Some lots of onions. Some enoki mushroom as well, if I'm correct. The broth warms you up nicely inside, and the spice warms you up in the mouth. But it tastes really good. Let me try the meat. The meat is really tender. It wasn't just by the look of it. It tastes really tender too. Has all the flavor of the soup. Nice kick to it. It It's a nice spicy soup that you can have in autumn, fall, or even in spring, I suppose, but it's really nice when it's cold outside. So drink some soup, it's good for you.
So that's it for tonight's adventure, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We spent only 48,000 won for a lot of food.
We're fully stuffed now and we're gonna head back home.
Consider subscribing to our channel to not miss our next adventures. See you later. Bye.
Bye! Thanks for watching this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like and let us know how we did in the comments below. Consider subscribing to our channel to not miss our next adventures. We post a new video every Wednesday.